Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all in chemistry class. Today, we will discuss about preparation, properties, and uses of common salt. And students, chemically, common salt is sodium chloride with the formula NaCl. Or we can say that the chemical name of common salt is sodium chloride. Its chemical name is sodium chloride, chemical formula is NaCl, and common name is common salt. And students, in this chapter you have to focus on the common name, chemical name and chemical formula of different salts. The common salt is a white powder which is also called table salt because it is used as an important food material. However, the table salt used as food material is not pure sodium chloride, but it contains small amounts of potassium iodide. That's why Tata Salt claims that iodide content is more than 50 ppm or 15 parts per million. And for this reason, table salt sold in the market is labeled as iodized salt. And the presence of iodide is essential because it protects us from thyroid disorders, which is a disorder of throat. Okay, students? Sodium chloride can be made in the laboratory by the combination of sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. NaOH plus HCl, it gives NaCl plus water, and it is a neutral salt as it is formed by the combination of a strong acid and a strong base. Now let's move to the occurrence and extraction of sodium chloride. Common salt occurs naturally in seawater and as a rock salt. Common salt occurs in dissolved form in the seawater as seawater contains many dissolved salts in it. The major salt present in seawater is common salt, and the common salt is obtained from seawater by the process of evaporation. For this, seawater is trapped in large shallow pools and allowed to stand there. The sun's heat evaporates the water slowly and common salt is left behind. This common salt is impure because it has some other salts mixed in it. It is purified to obtain pure common salt. On the other hand, it also occurs in solid form as rock salt because underground deposits of common salt are found in many parts of the world. The large crystals of common salt found in underground deposits are called rock salt. Rock salt is usually brown due to presence of impurities in it. Rock salt is mined from the underground deposit just like coal. And the rock salt which we dig out today from the earth was formed when the ancient seas dried up by the evaporation thousands of years ago. Now let's move to the properties of common salt. It is a colorless crystalline substance with melting point 820 degrees Celsius. It is soluble in water. The solubility does not vary with temperature and it is slightly hygroscopic in nature. Hygroscopic substances are those substances which takes up moisture from the air. Now let us discuss some important uses of common salt. It is used in cooking food. It improves the flavor of food and it is required by our body for the working of nervous system the movement of muscles, and the production of hydrochloric acid in the stomach for the digestion of food. It is also used as a preservative in pickles and in curing the meat and fishes. It is used in the manufacture of soap. It is used to melt ice which collects on the roads during winter in the cold countries. Common salt is used as a raw material for making a large number of useful chemicals in the industry, such as sodium hydroxide, sodium carbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate, hydrochloric acid, and hydrogen, chlorine, and sodium metal. Okay, students, I hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you, students, and have a nice day.